Today, people don't really enjoy and appreciate the art of writing. It's always texting or email, not even a phone call. So one thing I do love is to have the sensation of a pen gliding through paper. And since we don't really write that much, I think it's a great thing to invest just a little bit more on a good writing instrument. And that's why I turned into a good fountain pen a few years ago. And there's one brand I really like a lot, which is the German company Lamy. And today I'm going to show you is the joint product of Lamy and the famous Kumamon character from Japan. So first of all, you see a very nice paper bag. Right, okay, let's see what's inside. It comes with a very solid paper box. Okay, let's open this thing. I'll show you guys this later. Okay, the reason why I bought this set is mainly because of this very nice Japanese pen collecting box. The wooden box has a very nice finish, and when we open it, whew, of course there's a Lamy Safari edition, a collection of the fountain pen with a signature black and red color of the Kumamon bear. Oh, and this one comes with a refillable ink cartridge here, converter. And there's a pen stand with the Kumamon character, which you can put a pen right next to it, and it's a little toy thing you can clip onto the cap of the pen. Alright, enough of this. Let's keep going. The lower drawer, when you open it, here is a Kumamon embroidery, Japanese style pen case. You can put, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pens in it. Even with a little bear-shaped character right here. And this is an instruction of the collection, and then a worldwide guarantee or lifelong guarantee card. Right, this thing I'm going to show you is, when you open it, it's actually a pen holder, which you can put 4 in the bottom drawer and 5 pen on the upper drawer. So you can put your pen collections into the box. This special limited edition is only available in China, and which I bought this in Hong Kong. And I just talked to the store. They said in Japan they don't even have this set, so their customers from Japan actually has to order it from Hong Kong. And I believe as of today, this special set, you it's not sold in anywhere else in the world. So if you happen to find it somewhere and if you like it, grab it.